Imagine your friends and neighbors meeting you 20 days from now and being amazed. What did you do? Your stomach is flatter. It even looks like you had liposuction. Today, I am going to reveal a nighttime drink that many experts are already calling the natural Ozempic, and for good reason. Taken at night, it boosts your metabolism while you sleep, helps reduce bloating, lessens nighttime emotional eating, improves bowel function, promotes fluid balance, and gives you that feeling of a more defined waistline as soon as you wake up. And the best part, all of this without the side effects of famous medications like Ozempic and Mounjaro, which can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea or constipation, acid reflux, abdominal cramps, and even low energy the next day. But it's not just the recipe you will receive today. I will also reveal a simple, affordable and nutritious menu for you to follow in the coming days to maximize the results. And since I know that nobody wants to lose weight only to be left with loose skin, I will also show you 3 easy exercises that you can do at home in just a few minutes without spending any money to tone your entire body and prevent dreaded sagging. Stay until the end, because this video was designed to provide a complete, practical step-by-step guide with no dangerous shortcuts. Hello, my name is Dr. Leo Antonovich Bukharia, a Russian cardiovascular surgeon, professor and academic, president of the A.N. Bakulev National Scientific Center for Cardiovascular Surgery of the Russian Ministry of Health. I need you to pay attention to what I am about to tell you. If you have tried everything and haven't managed to lose weight, today could be the turning point you've been waiting for. You might think 20 days is a long time, but if you do what I'm going to teach you now, in just 3 nights you will already notice a difference. Less bloating, a slimmer waist when you wake up, and that feeling that your body is finally responding. Few people talk about this, but here is the gold. First tip, never go to sleep on a full stomach. Ancient cultures have long taught that heavy digestion steals energy that would otherwise be used to burn fat at night. Have an early dinner and choose light soups or cooked vegetables. This change alone can trim you down more than any complicated diet. Second tip, never mix heavy carbohydrates with fat at night. Bread with butter, pasta with cheese, pizza. All of these slow down your metabolism. If you want to really speed things up, combine lean protein with vegetables or simply have a meal consisting only of vegetables. It sounds simple, but it is devastatingly effective against abdominal fat. Third tip, avoid the trio that sabotages any weight loss: sugar, alcohol, and fried foods. Cutting these out for 20 days is challenging, but it is the price for results that seem miraculous. When your body gets rid of these toxins, fat burning skyrockets, water retention disappears, and your skin begins to firm up. If you apply these 3 tips right now, you will achieve quick wins even before the recipe I am about to reveal. And when you combine these habits with the nighttime drink, the effect is so accelerated that it really feels like liposuction done while you sleep. It all starts here. I have prepared a simple, affordable, and accessible menu, but it is powerful. It is no coincidence that renowned doctors in the United States use this exact strategy with actresses who need to lose weight quickly for movies and events. Breakfast, green tea or hibiscus tea on an empty stomach. This boosts metabolism. 2 tablespoons of gluten-free oats and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds soaked in plant-based milk. Here we have fiber to regulate the bowels. 1 boiled egg or an egg white omelette provides the protein that maintains satiety and preserves lean mass. Half an apple for a light energy boost and antioxidants. Now for the morning snack, 1 plant-based coconut or almond yogurt and 1 scoop of plant-based protein powder for hunger control and muscle support, and 3 Brazil nuts or almonds. These are good fats that stabilize your energy. For lunch, half a plate of varied raw salad, which can include cucumber, arugula, carrot, and tomato. 1 portion of lean protein, 120 grams of grilled chicken, baked fish, or scrambled eggs. 3 tablespoons of quinoa, lentils, or cooked sweet potato. This will provide energy without glucose spikes, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to increase satiety and nutrient absorption. For an afternoon snack, a shake with plant-based milk, 1 scoop of plant-based protein, 1 scoop of pure cocoa, and 1 scoop of pumpkin seeds. This combo controls sugar cravings and provides minerals that help burn fat. And for dinner, a detox vegetable soup, which can be made with pumpkin, kale, zucchini, and onion. Add 100 grams of shredded chicken, cooked whitefish, or poached eggs. The protein serves to keep the metabolism active at night. If you want an extra boost, finish with a chamomile tea to relax and enhance sleep. Each meal was designed to accelerate fat burning, maintain lean mass, reduce bloating, and prevent sagging. Follow this plan for 20 days, and the results will surprise even those who live with you. Perfect. Now the 3 secret exercises against sagging. Everything you have learned up to this point will trim your belly and accelerate weight loss. But there is one detail that almost no one mentions. When a person loses weight quickly, the body can become soft with that loose skin that bothers so much. And to prevent this, I will reveal the 3 secret exercises that many actresses and models use behind the scenes. Simple exercises that can be done inside your home without spending any money and in just a few minutes a day. The first is the plank. Simply lie face down, support yourself on your forearms and the tips of your toes, keeping your body straight like a board. Start by holding for just 20 seconds and work your way up to a full minute. This movement works the abdomen, arms, and back all at once, helping to make the stomach firmer and more resilient. The second is the deep squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower yourself slowly, as if you were going to sit in an invisible chair. Do 3 sets of 12 repetitions, always breathing deeply. This exercise activates legs, glutes, and abdomen simultaneously, making everything firmer and free from sagging. The third is the adapted push-up. You place your hands on the floor and keep your knees on the floor as well, lowering your body slowly until your chest almost touches the floor and then returning. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions. This simple movement strengthens arms, chest, and shoulders, ensuring tone in the torso and preventing that loose skin appearance. These exercises work because they activate the body's largest muscle groups, increase calorie expenditure even after you finish, and can be done in less than 10 minutes. If you combine this quick workout with the menu I already showed you and the nighttime belly slimming recipe, the result will be so complete and accelerated that even those who live with you will think you underwent a true miraculous transformation. What I'm about to show you is considered by many integrative medicine doctors to be one of the most powerful natural weight loss aids ever studied. Some even say its results can be compared to Ozempic and Mounjaro, but without the scary side effects. The difference is that this recipe works while you sleep. It reduces inflammation, gently boosts metabolism, eliminates fluid retention, and at the same time, relaxes the body so you can achieve deep sleep, the moment when fat burning is most intense. Ingredients: 200 ml of warm filtered water, 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a small pinch of black pepper, just to activate the turmeric, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds or chia seeds soaked for at least 10 minutes in water, and a few fresh mint leaves or chamomile to provide a calming effect. Mix everything in a glass of warm water, stirring well until uniform. If you choose mint leaves or chamomile, you can heat the water first, make a quick infusion for 3 minutes, and then add the other ingredients. Drink it 30 minutes before bed, preferably on an empty stomach. Use this recipe for 20 consecutive days and observe how your belly becomes less bloated as early as the first few mornings. The apple cider vinegar helps control glucose and improves digestion. The turmeric with the piperine from the pepper has an anti-inflammatory effect and accelerates fat burning. The flaxseed or chia creates a natural gel that provides satiety and improves bowel transit. And the mint or chamomile relaxes the nervous system, helping the body enter deep sleep, where the magic of weight loss truly happens. Pregnant women, nursing mothers, and people with gastric problems should seek medical advice before using. And if you feel any discomfort, stop. Don't just leave this recipe on paper. Put it into practice tonight and you could wake up tomorrow with a lighter body. And over the 20 days, the results can be so visible that even those who live with you will think you've had a radical transformation. You now have in your hands what many people spend their entire lives looking for: a nighttime recipe compared to natural Ozempic, a simple menu used by renowned doctors with actresses, and easy exercises that prevent sagging even when weight loss is rapid. It's the complete package to transform your body in just 20 days. But I want to tell you something important. None of this works if it remains just theory. Put it into practice today. Prepare the recipe, follow the menu, do the exercises. As early as tomorrow, you could wake up feeling lighter and more motivated. I have a request. Come back here to the comments and tell us about your first night with the recipe. Your testimony will inspire other people who are also fighting against a bloated belly and need hope. Write, "I will succeed" to seal your commitment to this transformation. Share this video with at least 3 people you love who also deserve a lighter and healthier life. You could be the key to their change. And if you've made it this far and liked what you learned, leave the phrase "I can and I will" down below in the comments. And if you want to keep receiving natural recipes and secrets that really work, subscribe to the channel now and hit the notification bell. In the coming days, I will reveal even more powerful combinations that almost no one knows about, but that can accelerate your journey even further. Remember, your body is your temple, and taking care of it is an act of self-love. You can lose weight naturally, healthily, and without suffering. And when you look in the mirror 20 days from now, you will realize that every choice was worth it.